Hello, everyone. Hello, how are you all? Let's see myself properly. So, what's up after so long? hmm. Great, great. I am good. Okay, so I was not well पिछले एक डेढ़ महीने से and and I was just feeling so lazy to come to my app and do live and do anything. uh, हाँ शूट्स में बिजी थी बट पिछले एक डेढ़ महीने से आई वॉज नॉट वेल प्लस आई हैव माई आई सर्जरी एंड आई हैव लाइक फ्यू अदर हेल्थ इश्यूज सो या आई एम गुड नाउ everything's good, Rahul. Thanks for asking. um But okay, so I had eye LASIK surgery, and now my specs are completely gone, for which I'm so happy about. So I don't need to come close and read, and but I can't do anything on my eyes. So if you can see my eyes, like I can't do anything at least for next 30 days more. So I might look like I'm sick, so forgive me for that. I am gonna change my outfit, so spare me for like 2 minutes. Uh, Pradeep, you can't see. You can't see me. If not, then you can just like go back and like come again, or maybe log out, log in. Oh, so thank you so much, all of you, for coming today to see me. I was actually worried कि बहुत टाइम हो गया है पता नहीं कोई आएगा भी कि नहीं आएगा but thank you so much. uh, you tell me what should I wear. Thank you, Pranav. Okay, so let me see who all are here. Rahul, Shantanu, Nick. Impossible. Kumar and name Jagveer, uh, Apekshit, Adi, Harman, Ameya. Hi, Ameya. Arijit, Ravi. Oh, so many. Okay, so just okay. So what should I wear? Bodysuit, bikini. I mean, I will just change my top. So बाद में मत बोलना. Okay, I can change my top and then I can wear shorts below. I don't know when to get married. I don't know, maybe you guys want me to get married? I will see, maybe by next year or maybe next 2 years. Okay, so just give me like 1 or max 2 minutes and I am changing and then we will talk. So just wait. Okay, so uh, uh, um, I need. Okay, so I'm so sorry. See, I came live after so long, so I deserve at least 50 I love yous and teddy bears and kisses and whatever romantic stickers or smileys you can send me. I need all. So let's see who starts first. And then I'm gonna show like exactly what I'm wearing. So let's see who sends me first. And I'm gonna take names. Um, Thomas. I need 50 from everyone, whatever you can. Anything. And ice hearts also. Uh, Sushant, Rishin, Big Bull, Pradeep, Nick, Kumar, Golu, Sinton. What kind of crazy names are these? Um, Deep, Jack. How are you, Jack? And people who are here. Um, like, I'm sorry, I don't know. I have received few shout out requests, and for the past, I think it's been more. It's been 2 months, and I am unable to send you the replies of those shout outs. So please forgive me. I will send soon, and I was just not well, and I was not feeling like uh doing so much digitally on phone, so please, okay, I will send soon. Okay, so 50 from everyone, and here you go. Let's see. uh let's see if I can play some songs. Okay, so someone asked me why this live is free today. So okay, you know, the I mean, you will be surprised to know that I just decided that I will do this for free today because I was gonna cut it and then restart it because that was what was planned. Uh, but I thought like I'm doing this live after, I think it's been very long. So you guys deserve some love, and everyone deserves to see me like for free. I mean, I know if it is paid, then like very few people will come again. So I know that. Okay, so did I get 50s from everyone? Uh, so let's place. Acha, one more thing. I guess it's been 20 minutes. No, it's been 17 minutes exactly. I started this live. I will do this live for more, uh, uh, I think 10-12 minutes. Okay, more. Okay, 12-13 मिनट और ठीक है. uh, because please spare me, I can't see into the screen so much for long. So yeah. God, my YouTube is not working in this phone. Mm, shit. I guess I can't play songs. I will. Next time I will. Sorry. Okay, so who else wants me to tie my hair? And then I will do it. Okay, I will keep it like that then. I wish I could play songs because, I'm not getting the vibe. It's so boring. Uh, okay, yeah, we can play truth or dare. So, okay, yeah, ask me. Ask me. Let's see how many answers I can uh, give. Okay, so who is asking me for Bali trip? Aman. I was planning to travel to Phuket, but now I won't because I heard that there's so much hot over there and I don't want to get tanned. So now I will travel. I don't know. I'm not gonna travel anytime soon. I will travel in October, November only. Okay. So, okay. Ask me. Has you? No, it's not. Maybe it's because of my this bikini top. Maybe the shape and design is like that. It's looking big, but it's not. It's the same. Uh, how old is my hand tattoo? More than 3 years? Your monthly. I'm not gonna tell my monthly income. You tell me your monthly income, chalo. Then I can think about telling. Hi, Thomas. You know, I have seen your Instagram comments often, and trust me, I don't, it's not like that. I don't reply or anything. Uh, I don't want to because then I have to reply to everyone's comments. So I don't want to do that. So thank you, Thomas, for such sweet comments on my pics. Okay. Yeah. So let's see where we are. Hi, Nilesh. Thank you. Okay, whoever is coming now, I mean, वैसे तो please सब, uh, please keep sending love, keep sending just hearts, keep sending me so much love, and please don't stop. Yes, Thomas. Hi, Nick. Dare you to unbutton your. That's so easy for me. Huh. I will do that. But I dare you to send me 35 I love yous and 10 ice hearts. Then I will do that. I know, Jigar. I know that. But okay. Oh, it was a bit hard for me to talk with open ears. So, like, after some time, I will open. Like, after 2, 3 minutes. Hmm. No Maldives, no beach places for me. I get scared to get tan now because when I went to Bali last year in August, Seriously, I realized that my actual color came back, and it took me around 7 8 months to get my original color complexion. So no tanning for me. I will go to Maldives or Bali or any beach place in October. Preeti Kaur, tell me you are not a girl, or I mean woman or lady, whatever. Please change your name if you are a guy. Um, okay, 2.5 lakhs per month. That's super nice. You can like guess. I mean, um, if I say I earn more than you, or then what will you do? Uh, I will only answer the good questions, like which I can answer. So please don't ask some shady questions. Okay. See, अभी किस सिटी में हो आप? I'm at my home in Mumbai. Yeah, hi Riaz, Aditya, Jigar, Aki. Hey Aki. Okay, uh, I'm within 2 3 minutes. I will go. So please, before I go, send me so much love, kisses, I love yous, ice hearts, teddies, or whatever you can. Then I can unbutton. Oh, I have done so many shoots, like showing my navel. Everyone is doing that. What? It's no big deal. Like unbutton my shorts and like so. Yeah. Shit. Uh, I know I always say that I will try to do lives more often. Now I will try because मुझे भी like engaged रहना है. So yeah, I will try to do as many as lives I can in a month. So don't worry. My age, I am 29 years old. I won't lie about it. इसमें कुछ झूठ बोलने का है ही नहीं because everyone knows. So okay. So I wish to see you all super soon. Okay, my eyes are hurting now, and Bye all. Actually, even I'm not feeling like going now, but I have to. Uh, Manager's number. You can see the information in my Instagram bio. So you can directly message them or contact them. They have their number on Insta, I guess. Bye, guys. I love you all. Bye, bye, bye. Sorry to bother you again. Just two things. Uh, okay, I think. Okay, I will tell. I'm just waiting. Like, if more people can comment, then it will be easy for me. Um, Shit, yeah, मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं बोला? Okay, I just wanted to say, like, I uploaded a new video maybe day before yesterday, and I think it's very hot. So you guys must go and watch it if you haven't, and then you can just DM, or you can email, or you can just chat on support, and then we can fix a meeting and then meet. So that's the easiest way. So this way we can meet, or you can say it's a date, or whatever you want to say. Uh, so yeah, it's easy now. Uh, let's meet up and watch my new content, whatever it is on my app. So yeah.